How to import leads in Salesforce. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, you just wanted to log into your Salesforce account and you simply just wanted to go to the gear icon on the top right corner. Click on that and click on setup. From the setup section, you just wanted to go to the quick find or the search bar on the top left and search for data import wizard. You simply just want to look this up and click on it once you actually find it. Next up, just go and scroll down until you find Launch Wizard and you simply just want to click on this. And now we just want to go through the actual setup. Now, before we continue, I need to note that you will need to have a CSV file in order to import leads. And you are just going to use this format here. You simply just want to add the columns. Try to make the columns the same name as the ones that are in Salesforce. But if it's not the same, it's completely fine. You can see this with test column here. It's obviously not an actual column field from Salesforce. So I'm going to show you exactly how to map this out correctly. But anyways, this is going to be the format that you need, and make sure you download the file as CSV. So let's just go back to the actual wizard here. First, I'm just going to select leads as the type of import that I need. And I'm going to click on add new records because we want to add new leads. Now we're just going to set this up quickly. So match lead by, I'm going to go for email. This is going to tell Salesforce whether this lead already exists or not. And I also recommend that you go for email just in case. Maybe name is going to be matching. So just go for email. This way it's going to be unique. Next up, the assign new leads to this source. So the source I'm just going to use web in my case. You can just go for any of them. And for this one, if you're using any assignment rules, then you can just go and leave this as standard. If you just want all of these leads to be assigned to yourself automatically, just leave it as none. But I'm just going to go for standard. And if you did actually go for standard, you just make sure you wanted to tick this just to notify the people that they have a new lead basically to work with. But in my case, I'm just going to leave it as none. Lastly, here we also have the trigger workflow rules and processes. If you do have any rules for your leads, just make sure this is ticked and you are just going to move on to the next step. So make sure you select CSV file and click on choose file. Go ahead and upload your file from there and you just want to go ahead and click on next. And now it's just going to show us all the different columns that we had. So first name, if it matches, then fine, you can actually see the Salesforce object and the CSV header. So first name is going to match with the first name. Last name, same goes here until we find the last two here. For the last two, which is the lead source and test column, as you can see, these are in the CSV, but they are not in the Salesforce object list. So we simply just want to click on map and select what this lead source actually means. So I'm just going to leave it as description, and the other one I'm just going to click on map again and just find the appropriate one for it and select it. But these are just test objects, so I'm just going to select anything from here. And finally, once you're done, you just want to hit next from the bottom right and click on start import. And now it's just going to show you here the status of your import. You can just feel free to reload every now and then and see the progress here. Once it actually hits 100%, you are pretty much good to go. You can just go back to your Salesforce and you're going to be able to see your new leads. And just like that, this is pretty much how to import leads to your Salesforce. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.